Alright, so I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I'd make a video with just me talking about stuff. For one thing, I wanted to make a welcome video for the channel, because I think people check it out. I think they just click on like the first video. That's what I would do, just to see what it is. And this is basically what I like to do in the morning. Get up real early, take a walk. Usually I don't go such beautiful of a trail, but I didn't really know that this existed down here. It's near William B. Pond, and that's the American River, which we'll probably get a view of eventually. So, what's going on in the world? Aliens are real. I don't know what we're going to do with that information. I guess we've been holding them for like 50 years, and that does make sense. Confidentiality is like a real thing. However, there have been a lot of guys that came forward with information about aliens, but everybody thought that they were just a crazy person. So you think you put all those crazy people together, you probably got over 100 people, probably more than that over the course of 50 years. And I think that if the United States military has it, then we're going to be having the craziest weapons. That might even be why this war is happening, because we want to test out these new weapons. Get rid of our old inventory. What next? It would be the war in Ukraine. Kind of feels like we're losing it. I mean, if the objective was to bleed Russia, I think that helped, but it also helped its oil sales. However, America blew up the Nord Stream pipeline. This has been proven. And also, they probably broke the dam, which flooded a bunch of little small towns. So, I heard a quote. It's, America is the most propagandized country in the world because we don't realize that we're being propagandized. In other countries, they know that their news and their politicians are full of shit. We try to hold out hope that we got good ones, which we really don't. So, all the squad and all the Democrats voted for this debt ceiling bill. This debt ceiling deal, which I don't know how we have a debt ceiling if we kind of police the world. Like, how are people going to collect? And I don't know, it kind of feels like a whole big scam, and the world's sick of it. BRICS is making a come up right now. For now. I don't know, we got a lot of nutcases in the United States political system. Okay. Okay, so that's happening. What else? Aaron Mate, a very successful journalist, got put on Ukraine's kill list. Cornel West is running for president. He's actually from, I believe he's from Sacramento. I know he went to college here. And he seems pretty cool so far. He was on the Revolutionary Blackout Network yesterday, and I liked his answers. He talks very doctorally. Yeah, like he talks like that a lot. I keep saying that. I think those are hawks up there. Yeah, I think those are hawks. There's another one way up there. Targets. Alright. So there's all that news. The Apple Vision Pro, the new VR headset by Apple, looks really dope. This first version is going to cost like $3,500, so $3,500, which is a very high price point. But it looks very cool, and it does seem like the future of virtual reality. That'll really come. You know, it's like the iPhone 1 and then like the iPhone 3 and 4. Just like the new products are going to be better. So that looks cool in the way that you could see the eyes through like mirrors and cameras, but it looks like someone's looking at you through these goggles. And these goggles look good. That's just something about these goggles. I'm leaving town in about 5 days. I'm going down to near Portland. So I'm gonna go visit my stepdad, and I'll probably check out a bunch of stuff around Portland with him, and that'll be cool. All right, and we ended on a parking lot. And that seems like it's about it. All right.